If you want to make this type of AI video, then you have to use Higgsfield AI. So, let's get started.
First, fire up Google Chrome or your favorite browser and search for Google Gemini. Click that very first link to open up the workspace. Now we need to bring the cinema to our prompt box. I'm asking Gemini to construct a massive 12-scene battle sequence featuring the Avengers taking on Dr. Victor Doom. I want high-intensity, engaging fight prompts. 10 5-second shots covering the core Marvel roster and 2 epic 10-second sequences for those heavy-hitting moments and surprise cameos. Once you've typed in your vision, just hit enter and let Gemini do the creative heavy lifting. As you can see, Gemini has mapped out the entire fight sequence for us. This is our blueprint. Now let's head back to Chrome and search for Higgsfield AI, the next-gen tool for creating AI masterpieces. Just look at this dashboard. It's packed with features for high-end visuals. We're heading straight to the Image Generation tab to build our scenes. Copy your first prompt from Gemini and paste it here. Now this is important. Select your preferred model, set the resolution to cinematic wide and crank that quality up to 2K. Once your parameters are dialed in, hit Generate. We're going to repeat this for all 12 scenes. Just copy, paste, and tweak the settings to fit each specific moment. Let's fast forward through this part so you can see the results. Take a look at these results. We have two distinct paths here. We can go with a stylized animated look or a gritty realistic look.
As you can see, we've generated a wide variety of scenes using the Image tab.
For this project, we want that big screen feel.
Now that we have our assets ready, let's move on to the next step.
So we are going to push these realistic scenes into the cinema studio. It's time to turn these images into reality.
Go ahead and switch over to the Cinema Studio tab.
Switch the mode from image to video.
From here, select your start frame to ensure continuity.
We're going to use a recent image generations as the starting point. Take that fight sequence from Gemini, pair it with the matching image, and let the AI breathe life into it. To make it truly professional, don't forget to adjust the camera movements. Adding a subtle pan or a dynamic zoom is what makes it look like a real movie and not just an AI clip. Keep iterating through your scenes, modifying the parameters as you go to keep the action consistent.
We are going to generate a few more variations. I'll fast forward this part so you can see the final results, the same ones you saw in the intro. Make sure to experiment with your parameters. Tweak the settings until you get the best possible result. And there you have it. All our fight sequences are generated and ready for your projects. They look incredible. I've included all the prompts I used in the description below so you can try them out with different models yourself. I've put a lot of work into mastering this workflow, so if this helped you level up your AI game, do me a huge favor, smash that like button and subscribe to PCOM Lab.
If you like this, just comment Tech Beyond Expectations and feel alive. See you in the next one.